This week, AI builders shipped hard. 8 repos broke out, pulled in tens of thousands of stars, and earned a spot on the board. Here's the Forkcast top 8, counting down to the one everyone was cloning. Kicking off the countdown at number 8, Insomnia by Kong. It's the open-source API client for everyone who lives in their terminal and their endpoints. REST, graph, gRPC, WebSockets, server-send events, one clean desktop app to design, debug, and test them all. Think of it as the friendly, fully open alternative to the big paid API tools with local cloud or plain Git storage so your team owns its own data. For backend and platform engineers, that means faster debugging and no vendor lock-in. For whole teams, it's version-controlled API collections that live right next to your code. 39,000 stars and a decade of trust, the dependable workhorse that still earns its spot. Ranked 7th LMCache. Every time a language model answers, it rereads the whole conversation and recomputes the same thing over and over. LMCache stops that waste. It's a fast KV cache layer that stores those computations and ruses them across requests, so long prompts, repeated context, and busy chat apps get dramatically faster and cheaper. It plugs straight into VLLM, runs on NVIDIA anywhere, and keeps your most used context warm and ready. For teams serving models at scale, that's lower latency and a smaller GPU bill, the difference between a demo and something that survives real traffic. Nearly 10,000 stars from engineers who feel every millisecond. Quiet infrastructure that makes everything on top of it fly. Coming in at number 6, PM Skills. This is a marketplace of over 100 agentic skills built for product managers, not engineers. Discovery, strategy, execution, launch, growth. Each stage gets ready-made skills, commands, and plugins you drop straight into your AI coding tools. Instead of prompting from a blank page, you hand your agent a battle-tested playbook and it runs the workflow for you. Write the PRD, red team the plan, draft the launch. For PNs, it's like cloning the instincts of a senior operator. For teams, it's a shared, version-controlled way of working that everyone levels up on. 20,000 stars in days, proof that the agentic skills wave isn't just for coders anymore. Halfway home at number 5, SkillSpector from NVIDIA. As everyone races to install agent skills, nobody's checking what's inside them, and a skill is just code your AI runs with your permissions. SkillSpector is the security scanner for exactly that. Point it at a skill and it hunts for vulnerabilities, malicious patterns, and hidden risks before they ever touch your machine. Think of it as antivirus for the agent era, a quick scan that tells you if that shiny new skill is safe to trust. For developers, it's peace of mind on every install. For companies rolling agents out to whole teams, it's a gate you can put in CI. 5,000 stars in a single week, because the skills boom needs a security layer, and this is it. Our number 4, timesfm from Google Research. You've seen foundation models for text and images. This is one for time. Timesfm is pre-trained on a massive sweep of real-world time series, so it forecasts the future of almost any signal, sales, demand, traffic, server load energy, straight out of the box, often with zero training of your own. That's the magic, no bespoke model per problem, just point it at your history and ask what comes next. For data teams, it collapses weeks of forecasting work into an afternoon. For businesses, it's sharper planning on inventory, staffing, and spend. 24,000 stars and Google's research weight behind it, a glimpse of a world where forecasting is just an API call. On the podium at number 3, codebase-memory-mcp. Coding agents have a memory problem. They reread your whole repo every time, burning tokens and still missing the big picture. This fixes it. It indexes your entire codebase into a persistent knowledge graph, the average repo in milliseconds, then answers questions in under a millisecond across 158 languages. The headline number? Up to 99% fewer tokens, because your agent looks things up instead of rereading everything. And it ships as a single static binary with 0 dependencies, so setup is basically instant. For anyone driving Claude Code Cursor or Codex on a big repo, that's faster, cheaper, sharper answers. 4,000 stars in a week, memory is the missing piece, and this nails it. Just missing the top spot, our number 2, Agent Skills by addyosmani. This is a curated library of production-grade engineering skills for AI coding agents, the hard-won habits of a senior engineer, packaged so your agent actually follows them. Debugging, discipline, testing, refactoring, performance, security reviews, drop these in, and your coding assistant stops guessing and starts working like a pro who's shipped real software. It plugs into Claude Code, Cursor, and the new agentic IDEs, so it meets you wherever you already build. For solo devs, it's an instant skill boost. For teams, it's a shared standard of quality baked right into the tools. 64,000 stars, the most starred repo on our whole board, and the playbook everyone's adopting. And our number one repo of the week, Agent Reach. Most AI agents are blind to the live internet. Ask about a trend and they shrug. This gives your agent eyes. One CLI lets it read and search across Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, GitHub, Bilibili, and more, pulling posts, comments, and transcripts on demand with zero API fees. No juggling a dozen paid keys, no rate limit headaches. Just point your agent at the open web and let it look. For builders, that's instant grounding. Your assistant suddenly knows what people are actually saying right now. Founders use it for market and competitor scans, creators for trend hunting, researchers for fast pulse checks. 36,000 stars and over 8,000 in 7 days, the runaway breakout, and the one everyone was cloning. That's the 8 repos that moved the needle this week. Agents that see the web, skills that level up your coding, and the infrastructure making it all faster. New top 10 every week, so subscribe and never miss the next breakout.